bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so you got the swag too.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, congrats, welcome on over, come on in. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, how you doing? So today I thought that we can talk about, once again, passion twists. Now I know y'all are tired of seeing passion twists, and it's okay because I'm still feeling these. You might have seen my previous video actually, when I actually installed the Jetta Collection Crochet passion twist. So I thought that we can change it around a little bit this time. These are still the Crochet passion twist, but these are installed differently. I actually use the rubber band method, which I will show y'all a tutorial because it's definitely for beginners who don't know how to braid their hair in cornrows. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into the video because I know y'all are tired of hearing me talking and nobody wants to see a 14-minute video of me just talking to a camera. I mean, I am kind of cute though, as 6 months pregnant girl. So yeah, just keep on watching, slide, panel, come on over, video. All right, so as you can see, I'm halfway done with my hair. I didn't want to show you the whole process because, you know, basically you've seen the Jetta Collection passion twist before. This is the color that I'm using right here. You know if you can see that. It's in the OT 1B30. And of course, Jetta Collection sent me 6 packs of this hair. Now, typically you can do the crochet method. Last time, you know, I installed the hair like that. Like I said, it's in my previous video if you want to see it. But I really didn't want to do it this time because I know this hair was a little bit basically brighter than the hair that I previously had. And I just wanted to try a different method of just installing this hair since it is, like, you know, the loop, and just seeing what I can do with it instead. All right, so far I've used 4.5 packs of hair. Actually 4 packs. Going on 5. Yeah, and there's 15 twists in each pack. So let me just go ahead and show you how I install this hair. Just parting my hair. As you can see, there is no way to my parts. I don't use a comb. I've never used a comb when it comes to parting my hair. My hair is already blown out, pre-moisturized, all that jazz. I'm just gonna use some Shine Jam to basically smooth down the hair once I install it, of course, at the tip, at the root, and a little bit on the ends as well, just to smooth it down. Now I'm going to go ahead and split the hair in half, and I'm going to take one of the twists. I am going to open this twist, and I'm going to take one of these sections and slip it on through that loop, or slip the hair through that loop. And pull it as close as you can. Close it together. Take a rubber band. I know, rubber band method, people don't like to use it, but with this you can control how tight you want your hair, which is kind of nice because I'm doing it myself, and with these rubber bands I haven't had any problems. So I'm going to take a rubber band, put it on top, as you can see, twist around 3 or 4 times, and I'm going to go ahead and tighten that to my hair. And the loop and the crochet, braid, whatever twist. And as you can see, they're connected. Now I'm going to go ahead and unravel this twist and just go ahead and split my hair so that way it can have half and half each part of the twist. So like that. So I got both of the pieces, and I'm just going to begin twisting. Let it go. And I let piece by piece go like this. So let that unravel a little bit, let that part unravel, and there we go. And see, it's a twist. And just to let you know, these twists are 24 inches. So let me just put this chair back. So 24 inches on me, excuse the baby bump, is almost close to my butt. I can't even get the whole thing in there. So of course, you know, I'll show you guys again because, you know, that's just what I do. know, that was a quick tutorial to show y'all how I did the rubber band method using a crochet passion twist. For my ladies who don't know how to braid their hair or just really don't feel like doing it or just has really long nails like I do. I mean, these aren't even really long. Well, to me they are because I wear short nails. I don't even wear nails. Why am I talking about nails? Anyways, I hope you guys like the tutorial. Once again, subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see y'all in my next hair video. Bye.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag sauce, you a bad girl and your friends bad too.